Bubble or Glide in 2025? Which no-code platform reigns supreme? Whether you are building an MVP, internal tool, or a full-on SaaS, this quick breakdown will help you decide which one is best for you. And for now, let's jump right in. Overview. Bubble is a powerful no-code platform focused on creating fully functional web apps with deep back-end logic. Think Airbnb level complexity, built visually. On the flip side, Glide is all about speed and simplicity. You can turn spreadsheets into beautiful apps in minutes. Great for internal tools, CRMs, or mobile-first apps. Bubble gives you maximum flexibility, but it comes with a steeper learning curve. Glide is super beginner friendly, but with more guardrails, performance, and scalability. In 2025, Bubble has made major strides in performance, with faster loading and improved back end workflows. It's great for scaling more complex applications. Glide, meanwhile, excels in reliability and speed for smaller teams. It now supports more robust data sources like SQL and BigQuery, making it better for real business apps, but it is still not built for deep custom logic. Design and UX. With Bubble, you get pixel perfect design control. Every margin, padding, and animation is tweakable. Glide follows a template first approach, giving you clean, responsive designs instantly, but less freedom to go off script. Pricing and use cases. Glide is more affordable for solo founders or small businesses, starting around $60 per month for team plans, and Bubble can get pricier, especially at scale, but its capabilities justify it if you need custom workflows, APIs, or native database control. Use Glide if you are making an internal tool, quick MVP, or mobile app from Google Sheets. Use Bubble if you are building a startup, SaaS platform, or anything needing heavy customization. Verdict. So which is best in 2025? Choose Bubble if power and customization matter most. Choose Glide if speed, simplicity, and a mobile first approach are your priorities. No one size fits all here. It really depends on your goals, but whichever you pick, no code has never been more capable.
And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, and comment your next travel destination below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.